Here's our Eagle 3000B ultra low profile stretch wrapper. So we do have the ramp skirt set up on here. So this machine is only about an inch tall off the ground. So I'll get down here and you can see we have a 2000B right next to it. That's about 3¼ inches tall. This one's only about an inch tall. So you can see here, we do have a different carriage on this machine. This is a powered pre-stretch carriage that is a variable pre-stretch carriage, so it can actually be adjusted in the screen. The 2000B machine on our right, that is a fixed 250% powered pre-stretch carriage. So just want to show a few differences and wrap this pallet here. So we will go up here, we'll come up to the screen. So you do have a color touchscreen, and you do actually have 5 preset programmable saved settings. So you do have your turntable speed here and your carriage speed, how fast the carriage travels up and down. The load force is no longer controlled here, it is controlled in the screen. So we'll go ahead and show you guys how to adjust this here. So we'll go in the screen, so you have different presets. So we're gonna run this on preset 2. We have 2 bottom wraps, 3 top wraps, over the top delay, how far it goes over top the pallet. Your load force, which used to be down here, is now gonna be up here. And the higher the number that is, the less tension you will receive. So as that number goes closer towards 0, you will increase the tension. So we have that set at about 60, which is about, halfway up almost. Then we have your pre-stretch ratio here. You can click on and change. We have it set for 275. Most machines are around 250, but we'll go ahead and leave this one at 275, and then cycles up and down, meaning it's gonna go up once and down once. So go back to auto mode. You can go through and click the different presets. So we wanna do preset 2. Here's your active preset. So we're gonna go down here, we'll press start. It'll stop back at home. So you can see even on the ultra low profile machine, it does grab a small section of the pallet to secure it down. And this ramp does come with the machine. And this will allow you to load it with a hand pallet jack, electric pallet jack, or forklift.